Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public Western toilet. First, find an empty stall and quickly assess its cleanliness. Once inside, ensure your privacy by closing and locking the door firmly. Then, carefully position yourself over the toilet seat, making sure you are balanced and comfortable. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and hygienic experience. Maintaining good hygiene is key when using public facilities. If available, use a seat cover or create a barrier with toilet paper to avoid direct contact. After use, take a sufficient amount of toilet paper for personal cleaning. Always remember to dispose of all used toilet paper directly into the toilet bowl, not on the floor or in a waste bin unless explicitly instructed otherwise. After you are finished, locate the flush handle or button, usually found on the tank or wall. Press it firmly to ensure a complete and effective flush, clearing all waste. Once the toilet is clean, exit the stall and proceed to the sink. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, scrubbing all surfaces to remove germs. After washing, dry your hands completely using a paper towel or a hand dryer. If possible, use a fresh paper towel to open the restroom door when exiting, minimizing contact with shared surfaces. Always strive to leave the stall as clean and tidy as you found it, or even better, showing consideration for others. Your thoughtful actions contribute to a pleasant experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.